Welcome to Pente Spotlight. I'm Emily, your built-in reality check. Today, we're stepping into something that sounds straight out of science fiction, but is becoming very real. A company preparing to place a sensor inside a human brain.
And I'm Lucas, your tech enthusiast co-host. Yeah, this is big. The company is Science Corp, founded by Max Hodak, and they're developing brain-computer interface technology, with plans to implant their first sensor in a human soon.
Let's pause there. A brain implant is not just another wearable. This is invasive technology directly interacting with the brain. That raises serious safety and ethical questions.
Absolutely. But the goal here is medical. These sensors are being designed to help people with vision loss by interfacing with the brain to potentially restore aspects of sight.
That's meaningful, no doubt. But here's my concern. Early-stage medical tech carries risk. Long-term effects, surgical complications, and reliability over time, all of that needs rigorous testing.
True, and that's why these initial human trials are so important. They help determine whether the technology is safe and actually delivers real benefits.
There's also the broader implication. Once we start placing sensors in the brain, where do we draw the line between medical use and enhancement?
That's a big question. Right now, the focus is therapeutic, helping people regain lost functions. But yes, the same underlying technology could evolve into more advanced human-computer interaction.
Which introduces concerns around data. If a device is reading signals from the brain, how is that data stored, protected, and used?
And that's where strong safeguards will be critical. But from an innovation standpoint, this could open entirely new ways of interacting with technology, beyond screens, keyboards, or voice.
Still, adoption won't be easy. Trust, safety, and regulation will determine how far and how fast this technology progresses.
Agreed. But if successful, this could be life-changing for patients, especially those with vision impairments.
My takeaway? Incredible potential, but brain implants demand the highest level of caution, oversight, and transparency.
And mine? This could be the beginning of a new era, where technology doesn't just sit around us, it integrates directly with us.
That's all from today's Pente Spotlight. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Until next time, stay curious, stay thoughtful, and maybe appreciate how wild the future is getting.